Hi everybody, this is Nir Kouris. I am the fintech guy that will deliver you all the fintech news. Basically, I'm here to deliver you the best of the newest banks in the world because this is my passion. That's what I love to do. And I love to share my knowledge and I love to meet other like-minded people and I love to get the best experiences from my banks. So today we're going to talk a lot about partnerships. We're going to talk a lot about credit cards and payment apps, all these. And we're going to talk about Apple Card. And I know you guys are excited about that because the experience that you get with the Apple Card first when you just get it, when you open up the card and you install it, basically you feel like installing an AirPod on your iPhone because it's like inside your iPhone. It looks good. It has the best design and the whole process from the Apple Wallet, basically it's totally amazing. Really, in the best visual way to show you your expenses of what are you spending on, whether if it's restaurants or traveling or all kinds of payment that you do every day, whether if it's the fast cashback that they allow and other features that will come up and partnerships that will come up later because right now basically you get all the obvious discounts at Apple stores and the App Store and stuff like that. But later you're gonna get many other partnerships, and unfortunately, it's only for selected users. And very fast, most of our friends in the U.S. will get it. So you guys are lucky. Definitely get it. Update your last iOS and basically just get it. Because it's amazing and I'm jealous. So enough about that. Today we're gonna talk about fintechs, other banks, and I brought you some cards from banks because I keep on getting these designs and I want to talk about it. Design is a big thing. I already talked about it last time, but I want to mention some of the banks like Monzo, N26, Revolut, Bank from the Netherlands, Coconut, and other services like Do Not Pay that I mentioned last time, which basically allow you to cancel all your subscriptions for all these, you know, subscription models like that you forget that you sign up for something because you're gonna get something and then you want to stop it. And it also allows you to have these virtual cards because why having one card, your primary one, if you don't want to give the number to these businesses? So basically you can issue a virtual card just like on Revolut. So simple, you know a card for one deal and that's it. You destroy it, you trash it. So that's the meaning of a virtual card. So all these new fintechs already allow that, and they also have all kinds of partnerships. Like Lime this week, they just partner up with N26, which basically allow you to get a huge discount when you use Lime, or my WeWork membership that I got from N26. Obviously, it was for the metal users. These cards. I'll show you the metal cards. It looks like this from N26. But basically, Revolut also has a metal card, you know, and it also have all kinds of perks and lounges and airport and concierge and fast money transfer and other stuff. Because why not? Why not using our payment apps and also have a life medical insurance and also have insurance for our luggage? Why not have everything on one app? Why not when I go on a public transportation with Monzo and I want to go on a train, I can just use it, tap and go. I can use my Apple Watch to tap and go. That's the meaning of Apple Pay. Life can be much more simple when you have a one payment app like WeChat and you can just, go on a bus or go on a train or transfer money to a friend, or request money from a friend, or if you're a business, of course. So all these fintech apps and banks already allow these features, and if you don't have one, you should get one. In my country, Israel, we can do so much more in terms of the regulation, in terms of the payment apps. We can do so much more, and I just mentioned some of the features, but more than features, we can do more partnerships because partnership make you stronger. And I think that's something that these big brands, they need to understand. They need to partner up with the best services, with whether if it's Disney Plus just open up and they partner up with HBO and they allow you to have more content. Why not? Or other services, like basically the user, which means us, we want to get more for our money, value for money. And we want these giants and these banks and these payment apps to partner up with relevant services that help our lives easier. So think about it, and I hope you're gonna, love the show. I'm gonna talk a lot about all kinds of fintechs from all over the world, whether if it's Bank from the Netherlands, whether if it's Monzo, Starling from the UK, N26 from Germany, Revolut from the UK, other banks that I love, and of course, as we said before, the Apple Card. I think that Apple will do amazing in this space, and it will drive the whole industry forward, because other banks will see that it is possible to make the user feel good. It is possible to design very, very good, and design is so important to make our lives clear and simple, to really be the financial advisor, because we shouldn't be against banks or afraid of banks. Banks just should help us, navigate our lives with payments. And payments and all these things are good things. But the banks needs to think about us first, and they need to earn our trust, and they need to really innovate, because we deserve the best, and we will go wherever we will go, because we deserve the best. So, enough of that. This is the first episode of many, and I hope you're gonna like it, because we're gonna talk about fintechs, new banks, new credit card, new financial services, and you're gonna love it. Thank you very much, and bye bye.